Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A13 smartphone. In this video, we will learn how you can do general reset in your phone Samsung Galaxy A13. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here and click on General Management and click on Reset. And here you go to click on Reset All Settings. So this will reset all the settings on your phone except security settings, language settings, accounts, personal data settings for downloaded apps. Click on reset settings and you go to give your pattern for authentication and click on reset and click on yes it's restarting device to reset settings is going on. Please wait. Your phone will be restarted. Just wait. Reset is going on. So in this way you can easily do general reset in your phone Samsung Galaxy A13. This will be useful when you face something which is which you don't know. So for small errors, for small hang up, you can do it. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.